Hey guys, welcome back. This is everything I picked up at Publix for the sales week of October 14th through October 20th or October 15th through the 21st, depending on where you're located at. I was going to go earlier in the week, Thursday or Friday, but I wasn't feeling very well, so I just stayed home. And then I was going to go yesterday, which was Saturday. But I wanted to do the all detergent deal, and I wanted to wait for the coupons that we got this morning, which was Sunday, because they are buy one get one free, and it comes out to a really good price. Same price as at CVS and at Walgreens, except it's double the size that you get at the drugstore. So this is everything that I picked up. The bad thing about waiting a couple days into the sales week is that some of the items that you want to try to pick up could be gone, because the sales week does start Wednesday or Thursday, and this is the 4th day of my sales week. So I'm going to go ahead and get into it. I did do an in-store video, and then at the end I'll come in and show you guys the receipt and the final cost for everything. So I just wanted to pop in here and show you guys this. Yesterday I got this text message from Ibotta. It said, we've got a spooktacular surprise for you. Look out for an email tomorrow with more info on how to earn up to $15 in bonuses. This morning I went onto the Ibotta app and this popped up. It said some other stuff. This is a screenshot. It says, running through, it just might say this way or that way, I'm in dismay, built for corn and awfully high, try to find the end can make you cry. Do you think you know the keyword? So obviously the first thing that popped into my mind was corn maze. So I went onto the app and I typed in corn maze right here. I'm just going to go ahead and do it again. And the other slides of the screenshot that I had just read to you, it said you have to find the offer with the pumpkin next to it. So when I typed in corn maze, all of these popped up, but there was no pumpkin. So I reread it and it said keyword. So then I took out the corn, as you guys can see, and I typed in maze, and there it is, right there. There's the offer with the pumpkin. I clicked it, and then let me show you guys what popped up. Tap to reveal your bonus. You found it, but when I went to screenshot it, it disappeared. So I didn't get to tap it, and I didn't get to find out what exactly it is. If you guys have Ibotta and you type in maze, go ahead and clip the offer with the pumpkin next to it, and then you can see your bonus. Let me know what you guys got down in the comments if you did get it. I still can't find it. I don't know if I actually have to redeem the Kraft cheese in order to start my bonus, or I just had to clip it, because I did redeem the offers that I got back at Ibotta after this to see if it went towards that bonus, but the bonus hasn't popped up yet. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and insert this into there. Let's just go ahead and jump into the video. First item I'm going to grab are these Playtex Sports tampons. These are priced at $2.99. We have this $2 manufacturer coupon that's going to bring my price down to 99 cents. I'm going to grab 2 of these Carefree liners. They are priced at $1.98, and then we have this $3 off of 2. It would have cost me like 98 cents for 2, but they're all out of them. Next item I'm going to pick up the Pillsbury, some of the cinnamon rolls and the biscuits and the crescent roll. They are 10 for 10 this week. I grabbed 3 of these for $3. I'm going to use this dollar off of 3. It's going to bring my total down to $2. And then I'm going to get $1 back on Savings Star for buying 3, making my final cost $1 or 33 cents each. Next item I'm going to grab are these tomatoes. I'm not even going to try to say that word because I don't want to butcher it. They're buy one get one free, priced at $2. We have this dollar off of 2. It's bringing my total down to $1 or 50 cents each. I have 2 of these Whole Earth sweeteners. These are priced at $3.49. They're buy one get one free. I have 2 of these $1.50 off of 1. That's going to take off $3, leave me to pay 49 cents or about 25 cents each. I'm going to grab 2 of these Veragusto pasta sauces. I have this coupon for a free one. If you go onto their website, first 1,000 people of the day, they send you a coupon for a free one if you share 3 people's email to share the coupon with. They get a $2 off of 1 and you get the free. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of these, and they're going to be completely free. Next items I'm going to pick up are 2 of these all laundry detergents. They're buy one get one free this week. They're priced at $9.99. I'm going to use this $1 off of 2 from the Publix green flyer, and this $2 off of 1 for the 88 ounce or larger, because this is an 88 ounce. And then I'm going to use $1 off of any product. That's going to take off $4, leave me to pay $5.99, and then I'm going to get back $1 for each one on Ibotta, making it a final cost of $3.99 or about $2 each. Next item I picked up was the fig yogurt. This week they are priced at 10 for 10. We don't have any coupons for these, but Ibotta does have a rebate for 65 cents back up to a limit of 3. So I picked up 3 for $3. I got back a total of $1.95 back on Ibotta, left me with a total of $1.05 or just 35 cents for each one. Next 2 items I picked up were these Yoplait Yogurts. These weren't tagged at my store, but they are buy one get one free, priced at $4.49. I used this $1.50 off of 2 coupon that I printed from coupons.com. There should also be a digital if this is no longer available. So the $1.50 brought me down to $2.99. I got back $1.50 on Savings Star for buying 2, brought my final cost down to $1.49 or about 75 cents each. Last thing I picked up on the way to the register was this Starbucks triple shot energy drink. We did get a digital coupon for a free one that I clipped to my card this morning before I went to Publix. This says 2 for $5, but one rings up at $3.49, and the digital did take off $3.49, making it free. Let's go ahead and go over the receipt. At the very top, there are the Yoplait Yogurts, buy one get one free at $4.49. The All Detergent, $9.99, buy one get one free. The Whole Earth Sweeteners, $3.49, buy one get one free. Playtex tampons on sale for $2.99. The tomatoes, 2 for $2, $1 each. The Pillsbury cinnamon rolls were 10 for $10. I picked up 1, 2, and then there's another one down here, 3. They were $1 each. Fag yogurt, 1, 2, 3. They were 10 for $10 this week also. I picked up 3 at $1 each. Here is the Starbucks triple mocha drink for $3.49. The Veragusto pasta sauces, $5.99 each. Coupons. Here's $1 off the All Detergent, $2 off the All Detergent, $1.50 off the Yoplait, $2 off of, what is this? The Playtex tampons, $1 off of the tomatoes, $1.50 off of the whole sweetener, $1 off of the Pillsbury, $1.50 off the whole sweetener, $1 off the all that is from the Publix green flyer, $5.99 and $5.99 were the Veragusto free coupons. This is a Starbucks. We got a free offer for the Starbucks drink. And then I had a survey come in through my email. It said it would take about 10 minutes to answer some questions. It took me literally like 3 minutes. And then I got this $5 off of a $5 Publix purchase. It took 2 days to show up, but I got it yesterday, I think. So that took an extra $5 off of my purchase. My subtotal was $11.46. With tax was $13.03. I had a total savings of $57.56. So I got back $3.95 on Ibotta, and then I got back $1.50 for the Yoplait on Savings Star, and I got $1 back for the cinnamon rolls, the Pillsbury, on Savings Star also. Subtotal was $11.46. I got back a total of $6.45 in rebates. Makes all of this $5.01. After taxes, it makes everything $6.58 or 36 cents each. It wasn't a freebie transaction at Publix this week, but it was still a good deal in my opinion. $5 for all of this stuff. You can't really beat that. These detergents alone are $10. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Sorry I posted it so late in the week. You guys still have a couple days to run out to Publix if you haven't yet. But again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.